Hi there, Gary here from Restore Solutions. Well, here today to talk to you about one of our fantastic products that we have in our plastic bags. So, these plastic bags here, really thick, 200 700 by 1100 bags. Okay? Very strong. Very reasonably priced. We don't like to be beaten on price here at Restore Solutions. Now these ones here are these are bin liners, these are 1 metre by 1.5 metres and they're 100 So not as thick as these ones, but more like a bin liner for rubbish and so forth. So we've got these ones, and then we've got our containment bags like this for, you might be taking away some mold contamination or any contaminated items. It certainly is going to hold a bit of weight as well, so they're very strong. So check out our website for further information about these fantastic products. We sell them by the box and we sell them by the pallet. So thanks again, and you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching.